Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. It's very annoying if blue box appears while using Narrator. So let's see how to hide it. First, click on Windows Start button and then click on Settings icon. Choose Ease of Access category. Now click on Narrator present on left side of the window. Scroll down to Use Narrator Cursor section. Remove the tick mark present in the checkbox before Show the Narrator cursor. Now the blue box will hide automatically while using Narrator. Thank you for watching the video. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.